Now we are going to press the calculator and see 3 over 10 exponent 2 divide divide by 3 over 10, and then we get 3 over 10. It means that our ratio is going to be 1 over 10. Now this is our ratio that we have. Okay, so what are we going to do from there? We're going to say, okay, now we have our ratio. The sum of infinite is going to be equals to a over 1 minus r, right? So from this one, and then we're going to have, what is the a? Our a is going to be 3 over 10 divided by 1 minus 1 over 10. And then you're going to click your calculator as this is. 3 over 10 divided by 1 minus 1 over 10. And then we get what? The sum is equivalent to 1 over 3. So this one will be what? Will be our sum. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear, guys. So now is the answer for the first question. So let's try and work on the second question. The second question we are given, they say that for the second question, they say for a geometric series, the sum of infinite is equivalent to this. It's equivalent to 9,000, and the first term is 1,000. Find the common ratio. Simple mathematics, guys. You just plug into the formula of infinity and then you work things out. Now we have the sum of infinite is 9,000 equals to the first term, which is a, is going to be 1,000 divided by 1 minus r. And then you work things out. You cross multiply. This is over 1. You're going to multiply this by 9,000. So it's going to be 9,000 multiplied by 1 minus 9,000 r is equivalent to 1,000. You can work it either way, guys. Mathematics is flexible. So you take this one to the other side, you will have minus 9,000 r equal, and then you take this one to the other side, you're going to have minus 8,000, right? And then you divide by minus 9,000, you divide by minus 9,000. And then our r is going to be 8 over 9. Can you see that indeed it's a sum of infinity because the ratio is between -1 and 1, which the numerator is less than the denominator. Right. So let's move to the last question. The last question says for which values of x will the infinite geometric series converge? We know that for the series to converge, the ratio must be between 1 and -1. So now we are going to just find the ratio. How are we going to get the ratio? You're going to say T2 divided by T1, which is equivalent to 1 plus x squared divided by 1 plus x. And then we're going to have this cancel, this cancel, and then we are left with 1 plus x. So this is our r. We are looking for the values of x for which this one will converge. We are going to take this very same r and plug it here because this is the notation for a converging series. So we're gonna have -1 less than, our r is gonna be 1 plus x less than 1. Now we're gonna do what? We're gonna say, okay, we take 1 to the other side. We take 1 to this side and 1 to the other side. And when we take them to both sides, it changes sign. So we're gonna have -1 less than x. 1 minus 1. We're gonna take it to the other side either, both sides. So we're gonna have -2 less than x less than 0. So this one will be the values of what? The value. You see the values of x for these two to converge. So guys, these are the questions that you might encounter based on a geometric infinite series or infinite geometric series. So guys, keep in mind, try to work on more activities related to these questions. So more importantly, you have to stick to this information, the formula, the sum, even if it's the same as this one, and then the converging part. For converging between -1 and -1, and then you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please follow, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a good day, guys. Bye.